Alrighty, so there's a new way to make money with vibe coding, and that is to use Base44. You can find a link to this tool in the description. If you haven't used it, it's a very simple tool to actually vibe code websites, web apps, all that stuff. So you can see now they have app templates up here. So you can actually sell, these are just users of Base44 and they're selling their templates for money. I mean, people have made a lot of money of this if you get in soon. Some of them don't look great, to be honest. Maybe that one doesn't look that good. Maybe I just find when I see that purple button, I'm like, no, but maybe not. That one looks pretty nice. So not too many there yet, but that's why I think it's a good idea to get in on this now. So we can see the different categories here. So I have a little Reddit tool here, so I think I will try to sell it. Let me just check it again because I haven't seen it, because I haven't checked this in a while. Okay, and it works nicely. So yeah, it searches and finds subreddits for you. So a nice little tool that people might use. So to actually sell your template, you need to just go to the dashboard here and settings and go to templates marketplace. So we need to create a listing. So thankfully it's already created the description for me. I like that. Yeah, marketing sales, exactly. And yeah, okay, they're fine. So yeah, to actually sell, you need to be a paid member. So you need to be on the starter plan or above to actually sell your template. So it's $20 a month. Okay, so you do have to pay, but if you make some cool templates, then we can, make this back and make way more money as well. So let's sell it for the same price, $20. I think that could be cool. Publish a listing for everybody. Okay, so I added my screenshots and now I'm going to agree to the terms and create a listing. Okay, so it's pending now. So I guess we'll have to wait for it to actually see if they accept my template. But I do think there's a lot of scope here to actually build out beautiful templates, because if you think about a website builder like Framer, there are people selling tons and tons of templates there because it's a very popular platform, and Base44 is extremely popular. Their traffic has just been exploded over the last 3 months. They probably paid for a lot of ads. That might be the reason why. But anyway, I think it's definitely something interesting to do. I also think that they have this feature here called agents. So if you're able to actually create an app with like agents, then you could sell that ability as well on create a template with agents. I think that could be amazing to do. That would save people a lot of money and time, creating the agent and all of that. So if you want to give this a shot, there's a link down in the description to sign up for Base44 and try to make your own template. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.